Another issue came up that I've received a letter from the Inspector General of Police. He says a humble appeal to the Senate to correct the misrepresented facts, whatever it is. I write to convey my warmest regards to the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, while also conveying my profound shock and dismay at the recent events that unfolded during the Senate Committee on Public Accounts, sitting on Tuesday, 11th day of February 2025. The public vilification of the police force during the session was deeply troubling, particularly as the allegations presented were entirely rooted in factual inaccuracies. This unfortunate incident has had far-reaching consequences, perpetuating a very false narrative about our institution and the force's leadership, both domestically and internationally. The reputational damage inflicted upon our country and its public institution is unimaginable. In the light of this, I respectfully implore the Senate leadership to intervene and to grant the police force sufficient time to conduct a thorough investigation into the alleged missing firearms from the armories as of December 2020. We appreciate the Senate Committee's probe into the alleged missing firearms, but urge the committee to conduct future hearings on sensitive security issues in camera so that the wrong impression will not be created in the minds of Nigerians and in the minds of the international community. This is crucial to prevent misinformation and ensure national security. Conducting hearings of these sensitive security issues in camera will help prevent the spread of misinformation and protect national security interests. It will also allow for more candid discussions and fact findings without compromising sensitive information. The Inspector General of Police says he's committed to maintaining a strong partnership with the National Assembly, working together to drive positive changes in our country and improving the lives of Nigerians and security of the nation. And on this note, IGP Egbetokun Kayode Adiola, PhD, MPN, Inspector General of Police, assures the Nigerian Senate of his esteemed regards. This letter is noted. No further discussion. In law, we call this res ipsa loquitur. Res ipsa loquitur. So there was clear misinformation on the issue of missing firearms. And I think the IGP's letter is very clear. Investigation will be done both internally by the police, and further investigation will also be conducted by the Senate particularly. But this is to inform the general public that the information brought out on that day were totally false and inaccurate. Accordingly, this Senate stands adjourned to Tuesday, the 18th day of February at 11 a.m. prompt. I thank you all.